Welcome back in Arcivel's channel. Good day. It's another day. It's another day. Another day. And it's 2 p.m., guys. We just finished our coffee. 9. Tea for me and then coffee for partner and our cakes. And I've already started nag-English. I have to speak in English because I have a foreigner viewers. Shout out from Canada. Hi, Ate Annabelle and her husband, Rob. Nakakahiya. Thank you for watching. And of course, Annabelle's son, Dean, and Dean's wife, Erica. Thank you for watching, guys, from Canada. Nakakahiya. So anyways, I've already started the vlog actually, guys, but I will insert the video later because yeah, since yeah, ayun, because the nawag nawag nawa na sorry because the worker came today very late. I think 12 p.m. they came, but the thing is they're almost finished in the terrace part, so the stone is already piled. Guys, pasensya na. Si partner, tumatawa na di. Yeah, I have to speak in English a little bit because I have a foreigner viewer. Sorry guys, I'm sorry for my wrong grammar, but I'm trying my best. So ayun guys. And it's very hot. It's getting hot outside. That's why we came in to have our coffee and tea. I also cannot go out because when they cut the stones, the alikabok, the dust will fly around because it's windy outside. So that's why I will go out later when they're finished, and then I think they will continue the down part of the garden, in the entrance part of the garden. So ayun. May nakakahiya, nahiya ako mag-English, guys. Pasensya na. But anyways, the video that will be inserted is in Tagalog, and so I will just put some title on it because yeah. And I think they're finished. Okay, because I can see them from here. And I think they're finished. So ayan yun sila guys. So, nagtatrabaho, malapit na talaga sila matapos. Ayan. They will just have to clean the na lang guys, the each side of the You will see later how guys. Because I've already started some things. The screen, I cutted the screen already for the pot. No, for the fruits roots. For the fruits roots. I cannot continue working guys because I am so tired. I don't know what happened after the thing I've done this morning. It was just 2 hours I think, but then after it, I don't know, my back, my hands, and my head are, I think this is from also yesterday because I did a lot. Yeah, I still have this coffee, not coughing, sneezing and itchy all around my face because of the springtime. But it's finishing. It's finishing. It's almost finished na guys because I'm taking, the doctor gave me cetirizine. Yeah, cetirizine. Binigyan niya ako and then it's working. So, ayun. Ang tagal naman nilang umalis. I have to continue to cut the screens. I've already done half of it. So after it, I will not do anything anymore because I will just continue tomorrow. Yeah, because it's really, I feel so exhausted today. And partner will continue to plant all the fruits. No, not all the fruits, but some of the fruits trees today. No, but I don't know if he will do it because we will do first we will wrap the root part of the trees a screen. So I'm just waiting, everybody. I'm really hoping that they will do some more work today, not just there in front, because there's still so many things to do in the garden. I really cannot do all the works when there's someone, and it's irritating. So I hope they will finish it today, because actually, guys, the stones in front of the terrace, it wasn't a plan, and we planned to do it alone by ourselves. Oh, I think, guys, they're finished today and they're going home. What are they doing? What I mean, guys, is I'm hoping that they could finish, that they could continue working from here. There, that one, guys. The each side of these stones, they have to fill in the stones, the small stones, But I'm not sure, because we don't have. They have to buy it first. That means their work today is just here in the terrace. My God, and then tomorrow again. Because when they're finished, guys, here in the garden, they will go to the basement, and then to renovate some rooms there. I think 2 rooms they have to renovate. Not naman full renovation, no, I don't think so, because one of the windows there, it's from the old house pa talaga. The only problem in the basement are the the walls. So I think they will just finishing the walls, and then I think I also painted it. And then under the stairs, the one I showed before, that it's very dark there, and then they will paint it white, and then they will put a door on it, I hope, slide door. I'm not sure. So that's the plan. And then while these 2 guys will go in the basement, then that's the time I can do a lot more things in the garden, because there's still so much things to do, especially the grass. We have to do it ourselves. The area of the garden is with lots of bumpy, a little bit small bumpies, so we have to plane it. Although the form of the garden is slant down. What I'm ano ba yung pinagsasabi ni RC, guys? Pagpasensya nyo na ako, guys, ha? It's like that kasi, guys, pataas. So, and then there are bumpies. So we have to plane it so that the robot can just drive fairly and slowly and without any interruptions with the bumpies. And also we have to check if there are stones. All the garden, guys, it's like, I think, 600 square meters. That's just only the garden. So we have to check if there are stones everywhere. So ayan, guys, ayan yung mga prutas ni partner. Prutas lang to siya, guys, ha. These are all fruits, and meron pa dito. You have there. Itong mga prutas na to is, tatawag niya sa German is stachelberry. Goose bears. 3 klase ata to. White, mayroong white naman, green yon, tapos may red here, tapos gooseberry din to, guys. Ayan, ibang klase din siya. Favorite yan ni partner, so 3 klase lang ang sa kanya. And then ito, guys, ang dami nila, ito. Ayan. Ano yan lahat, guys? Raspberries. Grabe ang mga raspberries ni partner. Iba-ibang klase, hindi ko alam. Thai berry, at ito din, yan yung forma niya. Ito, same ba to? Dalawa. Same to sila. Parang na-double niya yan pag order ata. Yan, ito din. Raspberries din to, guys. Ito is ibang ori na siya. This one again, the same. So the same sila yung sa ganyan. Another one. Dalawa pala, guys, yung in-order ni partner. Dalawang klase. Ewan ko ba kung bakit siyang ng mga raspberries. Akala ko hindi siya ayaw niya sa raspberries, guys, pero ang dami. And then ito na yung mga malalaking prutas, guys. Ang dami nila. Ilan ba to lahat? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, mga 21. Wala pa yung wala pa yan sila. This one is peach. This is cherry, guys. This is pears. This is plum. And this one is another cherry, another kind of cherry. Ayan, cherry din siya, guys. Mirabelle. Ay, favorite. Ito yung favorite. One of my favorite, guys. Mirabelle. Ang sarap nito as in. Lalo na, ano siya guys, yung half-half. Ang sarap niya. And another cherry. This is another plum. Another kind of plum. Ano ba ito? Anong klaseng prutas to, guys? Hazel. Root letter hazelnut. Hindi ko to alam, guys. Para siyang, sige, hazelnut siya pero something like, I don't know. Ngayon ko lang to nakita na prutas na to. Kakaiba talaga siya. My God. Ano to? Dito. Ayan. May mga binili siya, guys, na hindi ko alam. Hindi ko, familiar. Hindi ko familiar ng mga, niya. Ito, another pears. Ito yung gusto ko na pears. Ito siya. And ang dami yung cherry binili. Another cherry. And another cherry naman doon, oh. Bakit ang dami yung binili na cherry? Ito, ano to? Nectarine, guys. Nectarine. Masarap din to. Ito is, ito din siya, guys. Renoclode. Para din siyang Mirabelle, pero masarap din to, lalo na half-half din. Masarap niya. Ano to? Another pears na naman. Another pears. Ito. Familiar ko na to. Favorite ko na apple, guys. Ito yung favorite ko na apple sa Germany. Elstar yung pangalan. Favorite ko to na apple. Sweet and sour siya. Ang sarap niya. This is plum again. Yung isang plum is violet. Ito is green lang talaga siya na plum. Masarap din to. Another cherry na naman, guys. Ang dami niyang cherry, ha. Ito another plum again. Oh my God. Diba? Ang dami. Actually, guys, meron pa dito. Meron pa dito, actually. Ang dami. Ayan. We have 3 different kinds of grapes. We have red grapes, we have black grapes, and we have yellow or green grapes. So nakita nyo na yung ating nabili na natin to the other day. Ito, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Is this Preiselbeere? Preiselbeere. Masarap to, guys. Masarap tong gawing jam. Yung yung sa gansa, yung sauce ilalagay sa gansa, guys. Para lang siyang cranberries. Ganon yun, guys. Masarap yan. Nasasarapan ako niyan. And I was expecting na dito niya ilalagay kasi nag-start ako maglinis, guys. Yan, kinuha ko ng mga pero may space pala. Yan, na siya, gumagawa na siya ng lagayan ng mga tanim ng mga prutas. So yan pala, from there dito niya ilalagay. Ayan. Pero ito yung mga, sabi daw niya is yung mga yung mga raspberries dyan daw ilalagay niya. So we will see, guys. Nag-start na ako, madami na akong nagawa, guys. Diyan, madami na akong nagawa. Kinuha ko na sila. Ayan. Dito din yung bathtub na na din siya kahapon, actually. Ayan, ginawa ko na yan. Ito pa lang, pero lalabas ako, guys, the other side. Doon ako kukunin ko yan. Ito, na ko na siya dito din. Meron pa pala. Meron pang guys. Ano to? Okay. Ba't siya bumili? Bumili siya nito. Meron naman kami. Yan, yan, tapos dun din. Bakit siya bumili? Ewan ko sa kanya, guys. Ito yung ito yung masarap, guys. Ito, kaya siya bumili kasi ito yung mas masarap daw to na klase. Kasi yung klase na blackberries na yan, hindi daw siya masarap, sabi ni partner. Kaya siya bumili ng another. So anyways, dito ako nag-start, guys, gumawa. Ito yung lagyan namin ng compost pit. Binili namin to. Then we will buy one more kasi maliit lang na pala siya na ilalagay namin dyan. Ayan, guys. And ang ginawa ko, ito na yun, na na siya, guys, diba, yung compost namin dito na old, kasi nga matatanggal to siya. So kinukuha na namin kasi kahapon, look, ang dami kong ginawa, guys. Ako lang talaga, meron na naman. Meron na naman siya dito, Hindi ko nakita, guys, nakalimutan ko. These are all strawberries. Ang daming strawberries, guys. Ayan, strawberries daw yan. Nakalimutan ko to. Kahapon to sila actually dumating, lahat ng mga prutas, guys. So ayan, anyways, ayan, ako gumawa niyan. Ako nagtapos niyan dalawa guys kahapon. Grabe, sakit ng katawan ko. Tingnan nyo dito oh, di ba wala na. Ito kulang na lang to yung nasa white na yon, yung fertilizer na soil. Yan na lang yung kulang. Nag-order pa si partner. Maghihintay na lang kami na ma-deliver. So ayan yun guys. So ayan. Grabe, di ba? Hindi pa talaga siya matatapos guys. Grabe. Hindi pa to siya matatapos. So ayan, actually guys, kahapon walang, kasi today hindi nagtaka kami kasi walang dumating na mga trabahante. Ang kahapon din parang half day lang din sila. I don't know why. Pero ang ginawa nila guys, meron silang ginawa dito sa terrace. Ayan oh. Eto, gusto sana namin na mas malaki pa hanggang doon. Pero lalaki daw ang trabaho, sabi ng mga trabahante, tas mas mahal daw. Kaya eto na lang siya. So hindi pa yan tapos kasi ile-level namin siya. Maglalagay pa sila ng mga stone na square size na malalaki. Tapos ile-level siya dyan. Para sa ano yan guys para sa yung sa robot. Ayan, hanggang dito oh. Natapos nila yan dito kahapon. And then yun lang ang ginawa nila. Natapos sila mga 4 PM tas umalis. Nag-start sila mga 1 PM na ata yun or 12. Tapos umalis na, umalis lang. At akala ko itatapon nila itong mga basura, hindi nila ginawa. And then, eto din pala, ginawa nila. Naglagay pa sila ng stones dyan sa gilid. Pero, hindi pa yan tapos. Maglalagay pa din sila ng mga stones, guys. So, di ba? Ano pang ginawa nila dito? Parang wala na silang ginawa dito. So, ayan guys. Di ba? Medyo maganda-ganda na din yung daanan namin. Nakakaano lang kasi hanggang dito lang talaga siya. So, kailangan namin itong punuin ng grass para walang putik pag umuulan. Ayan. Eto, lilinisin ko pa. So, ayun guys, kailangan ko na mag-continue kasi baka dadating na naman yung mga trabahante na I don't know. Maybe they will come or not? No?
I don't think so.
Did they called or what?
No.
They didn't see anything?
No.
Anyways, so yun. What is that?
I have to cut it into pieces to wrap it around the
Kailangan kong tapusin yung sa gilid kasi magtutulong pa sa partner kasi yung mga ano pala guys, yung mga prutas, ang ano doon sa ano niya, yung sa may soil, yung mga roots, lalagyan pa pala siya ng mga screen. Gusto niya lagyan ng screen kasi daw, yun nga, yung parang Malvolve tawag, ay yun, parang yung mga malalaking, parang mga daga, parang ganun, pero mga malalaki. Yun na nga, parang hindi naman nila kakainin kasi yung ano lang naman kakainin nila yung mga worms, pero to make sure lang daw, so gagawin niya, then kailangan niya ng tulong, pero gusto ko tapusin yung ginawa ko para makatulong ako sa kanya kasi medyo madami, ang dami, more than 20 guys, I think 30s yung gagawin namin. So ayan yung ginawa nila guys, yan, tapos na siya, ayan, hanggang dun talaga, ayan, hanggang dyan guys. So yung ginawa ko guys, ayan, itong screen, yan yung ginawa ko. Kailangan ko siyang i-cut ng ganitong kalaki. Ayan, ito yung i-wrap namin sa roots. Kailangan ko silang tapusin guys. Ito na lang yung gagawin ko for today. And then bukas na ako ulit magtatrabaho guys. Kasi very exhausting talaga yung araw ko today. I don't know why. Ang cute ng ano ko, sukatan. I'm done. Ayan guys, ang dami. I think hindi pa yan enough. How many pieces do we need?
20.
20. I think it's not 20.
Yes.
It's 20?
Yeah.
Okay.
5 meters
Uh-huh.
means 10 pieces.
Okay.
No. And
Okay, then it's good.
it's perfect.
You will do it today or tomorrow? Half, some of it.
No, we need more soil.
Okay, so we cannot do it today. But at least I've cut it already.
Yes.
I just have to put them in the right place. So guys, tapos na ako today. Andun pa si partner, nag-ano pa siya, nagme-measure pa siya sa kanyang mga lalagyan ng mga prutas. Dito na side tapos na to na naglagay na siya ng mga sign kung saan ilalagay yung mga prutas dito. At ako tapos na ako. That would be my working day. I'll finish the work tomorrow. And also the the sewing machine. Sewing machine ba to? I don't know what's the name of this for the grass. Yung I still have to charge it, so it's already low bat. So I really cannot continue the work today. And good thing is I'm happy. I hope it will be finished today. Ayan guys, naglalagay na sila ng sand. So I really hope they would finish the part there today. And then there are still some garbages, lots of garbages guys, that they have to throw it away. All the things there, and also these 2 big gallons, they have to bring it to somewhere. I hope today, but I'm not sure, but I think no. I will just wait until I would relax, my body would relax, and then I'll take a shower, and then yeah, I'll just have to clean here a little bit. Another vacuum for today. Oh. And the garlic and onions are already waiting for the guys to be planted. They're so big already. Look at our shoes. Oh my god, very dirty. Because from the past few days kasi it was raining, and then we have to work in the garden, and then muddy. So wow, nag-explain. Ayun lang guys. And update to our seedlings. Ayan, they're already, our okra is growing up. There's another okra there. Our eggplant is not yet, and also that's the eggplant, wala pa siya. And our alugbati is also not yet growing. I don't know what happened. And some of our herbs guys are already growing up. That's the parsley, that's the rosemary is growing already. This is already growing since a week ago. And our radish and kohlrabi. Our paprika, I thought it's already growing because I've already seen some things here, but I don't think so. And of course the tomatoes. Yeah, so, and I'm not sure if we can bring them outside because like today it's frosting. It was very cold this morning guys. And yeah, the onions and garlic we can already bring outside, but I'm still waiting pa talaga for some things. So ayun, I'll just have to relax and then take a shower and then wait for the time, and then we will eat outside. Excited. At natapos na din sila guys for today. Yan yung plan guys. Nalagay na nila yung mga bato. Ayan. Pero ito, ayusin pa namin yan na yung kanya, ayusin pa namin yan. At yung mga nasa wall. It looks good, no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So, medyo maganda na siya tingnan. Hindi na siya maputik dyan. And aalis na kami. Magi-dinner kami sa labas guys. And it's just a walking distance.
Du hast Farbe gekriegt. Du bist braun. Ne?
Yeah, because of the sun.
Yeah,
since yesterday.
Yeah.
Nag-brown naman yan talaga siya. Where is the stone? They took it back. Ah, okay.
Soll da drin sein. Ich habe nicht geguckt, aber sie sagten, sie hat sie da reingetan.
Ah, okay. So guys, maglalakad kami and hindi ako mag-vlog doon ha kasi alam na, na yung mga yung mga tao doon pala chika. And then sabi ni partner, ako daw makipag-chika doon kasi ayaw daw niya makipag-chika. Actually guys, ayaw ni partner. You don't like actually to go out at night.
I'm tired.
Yeah, we're all tired. And then I said, we don't have food. I mean, we have food. I don't like to cook lang. And then
I could cook, I told you.
Yeah, you can cook tomorrow. So yun.
Schön, ja, gerne.
Yeah, what will you cook tomorrow then?
Rippchen, dicke Rippe.
Ah, yeah, genau. Okay.
Kann ich sagen.
Okay. Kasi bumili kami ng ribs kahapon, yung the other day. malaki na ribs guys. With ang daming meat. So ayun. So guys, maglalakad lang kami and then yeah, ayun. That would be our day for today. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Ingat po. Cheers. Sag off. Ingat po.
Ingat po.
Good.